Whiskers. Give me my meow mix. Feed me. Whiskers. The mutt. Waddles. How you doing down there?
That is the predominant pattern, actually. You know what I mean? That is really the more likely way for things to go, especially if the foundation is developed. You know what I mean?
Just as bad as Waddles.
Oh dear.
I break cameras.
2 matches down.
Aren't you gonna smile?
Through the regular Air Force channels and get a full ride Air Force scholarship, which pays for all of your tuition and your books, which is a lot of money. Because Randy had to work for all of us. We don't have the money
We
to
know
get
about
to it.
that.
Yeah. And he has been, he had to borrow money one time and bring loan, the airline had to co-sign for it, and he has to pay it back when he graduates.
At least there's only 1% interest still on those. At least that
No
helps.
interest at all.
No interest at all?
Until you graduate.
And we had
And then they assess you the interest.
He had a Pell Grant also when Wilfred was laid off, is when Randy started college and he got a Pell Grant.
Yeah, when I
Low
was laid
income,
off, yeah.
which really helped at that point.
Anyway, he went, the neat thing is, he went to this camp. He says, do you realize that this is a very big university, and we get the biggest brains here at this place. We have a tremendous pick. And I would dare say that if we did allow you to come and study here, you would have an immensely difficult time. So it's just as well you go somewhere else.
Well, this was great.
This was all based on grades,
But it's not all based on grades.
No,
I'm
it's
telling
not,
you that
yeah,
someone
yeah.
with the same grades
Oh, yeah.
with a father who went there,
Oh,
or
sure.
someone who's in the alumni would have no trouble
Oh,
getting
I see.
She's a
Boy,
cat.
that's all.
Oh, what she is.
But anyway, he came back and made
Pops up on
himself
the
a bundle of money.
she
That's
just
$5,000
gets up on
he made.
Terrific.
Because each semester runs about $1,000.
You can swim.
He's got 4 semesters school.
So that should,
swim.
that should just about take care of it.
So he got engaged.
Doggy bag.
He did.
They were just
Well, I
starting.
consider what,
Serious, yes, A school.
are you taking this
Yeah,
one?
right.
When you consider what?
Who is one
A woman?
very diabolical lady. Yes, she's the
She
latest.
is.
Yes. Yes.
She's the
and
what?
most unqualified.
Diabolic.
Yeah, she really is.
She's really not that qualified.
Oh, she is not qualified at all.
Natured animals, they really are good with kids.
All right.
Yeah. In fact, they have the highest sociability in these books. When they rate Great Danes, the highest sociability
Is that
with
right?
kids.
Oh, that's probably why they make Mama do into a
Yeah.
cartoon, because he's
Yeah, and they are so, especially when they're little.
I really didn't know this. I always thought of a Great Dane as being ferocious.
Well,
It can
they
be.
get protective. It's like they're very gentle, quiet
But
animals.
they are also very,
If someone were to come into your house, they might let them in. They're not likely to let them out again.
oh, really?
Yeah, they get very protective, but yet they're not, there's no
Now, how do you
excess
know,
growling
how
or
do you know
anything.
this about Great Danes? Did you
Oh.
used to have one?
No,
We
we,
did.
we had one that was killed in April.
No, it wasn't even April.
That was April.
Oh, you had one? Full-grown one?
I thought it was May.
She was 10 months old.
You had a full-grown one or what?
Yeah, she,
Don't smelling up a house where you smell like a zoo.
yeah.
Yeah.
I guess I've grown accustomed to it. And frankly,
When you're
I
around horses,
enjoy
you kind of,
animals
yeah.
as much as people
They don't,
almost.
yeah.
I really do enjoy animals. Yeah,
Well, animals are fun,
Did she
Animals
enjoy
are really
animals
fun.
almost as much as people? And I was just thinking, yeah, I know what she means.
I grew up with animals. I used to lure them into my house with bread, and I would tie them up and hide them somewhere,
Oh, you were
All
allowed
kinds
to
of
have
dogs. I was known as a town dog catcher. Oh, that's telephone and that's my angle. And what's this?
I don't know. I
Well, that's
haven't
not-
really looked into it. And then press your thumb on this button. And you got yourself.
And you gotta hold it real steady. Now wait a minute. When do you photograph?
Push the button.
Yeah, what button? You didn't tell me.
Thumb.
Which
Thumb
button?
Thumb button.
Oh, you didn't tell me about this. Press it down or up or what?
Press in.
Oh, let's see.
You know your voice is going to the camera right now.
Oh yeah, right.
I don't see why the microphone's way up there.
So you can get everybody else.
Pretty stupid.
Hi, Aaron. I got you on candid camera. Don't do that. I got you on candid camera.
I know.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
I know.
Yes, you
They
do.
preserved you for a long
Yes,
time.
you do. Hey, make a funny face once. Make a funny face.
Isn't her face funny enough?
The backlight is just for contrast.
Now I'm gonna get your mom. Let's see how funny your mom looks.
Okay.
Yeah, we do.
See, when you get older, you get self-conscious. When you're a kid, you just act funny. There's Aaron. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Let's see your teeth once. I bet you don't have a tongue, Aaron. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Huh? Don't you have a tongue?
No.
No. You're getting cuter all the time, Aaron. Somebody is covering me up again. Must be funny face, Israel. Yeah.
Israel, are you going into 5th grade or 4th grade?
5th.
5th?
4th.
No,
I thought you said
'cause
Well, it would help, but I moved the station wagon up. I think I can make it finish.
Your favorite food is Mighty Dog. All the time.
You get it in the back of the truck, but you didn't get it in the chocolate because you supposed to get it from